Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fanny Sasami if you're new here, but if you're an OG, welcome back. So guys, today I've decided, say I'm doing a vision board. I've never done a vision board like ever. I've never done a vision board. Hey, already mnajua mimi resolutions zangu venye tu zilikuwa. So sijai ona like the need to have a vision board. So this year, hey manze 2021 manze. Hey, you have to be good to me because venye nimeamua kufanya vitu very different, but I hope it's for the good. So it's Feb already. By the time this video is going, I think it will be either mid-Feb or end of Feb. It doesn't matter, but I want to do this vision board. I want to do this vision board. So me, I'm not about to go CG print things. It's my first vision board, so I'm taking it easy. So I have this old magazine. I hope I'll get like things I can cut. Oh wow. Yeah, and make my vision board work. So let's get into it. So the things you require according to what I've researched, you need like either printed papers pictures from magazine. You need this a manila paper. I just bought this. You need scissors. Where are my scissors? You need scissors, of course, to cut everything. You need glue. I have glue back here. Marker pen. I have marker pen now. I don't know where I've kept them. I have marker pen too. So let's get into the magazine and see what we can get and try make the this thing is for 2012. This thing is for 2012. Jeez. And we're in 2021. Wow. Anyway, let's just work with what we have. It's a frugalista channel, so we work with what we have. So let's get into it. Watu wangu wa 2012. Kwani hamkuwa na content? Watu wangu wa 2012. Oh my god. As in jeez. It has like I think the rest I'll just write what I want and nieke picha kwa akili cause so let's cut this. Let me just cut all these things, then tutapatana baadaye. Tutapatana tukianza kutengeneza vision board. For now, let me do this off camera because see you in a few days later. Guys, the 2012 magazine didn't have any content, like according to what I had journaled and what I wanted to see on my vision board. That magazine won't give me, couldn't deliver what I wanted. So I went for a search for magazines, and 3 or 4 days later, a good friend of mine came through. Max, thank you, God bless you. So I have these 2 magazines, and according to my journaling, I think I'll get most of the images and affirmations that I need for my vision board. So let's get into it. I think, guys, 2021 is the year. As in, for me, I think 2021 is the year. I'm sure, I know 2021 is the year. Yeah, 2021 is the year. So I want you guys to keep it positive. As in 2021, just claim it. 2021 is the year. So let's jump into getting this thing done. I have to finish, I think I should finish this vision board today so that you guys get to see it before the end of Feb. Yeah, so let me get to work. finally we are done with the vision board. This is my first vision board ever, my 2021 vision board. Hey, manze, 2021 is that year. So instead of writing vision board, I decided to go with shape your life. Yeah, I'm shaping my life. Then we come here, body under construction, mind on a mission. Yeah, that's what I'm doing this year. That's what I'm doing. So under health and fitness, we have workout. If you know me, you know how much I want to have sexy abs. I want to have abs, that's all I know. Then we go to home workout and gym workout. So my plan is the first quarter of the year I'll be doing home workout. Then the rest 3/4 of the year I'll be at the gym. So create your perfect body. That's what I want to do. My body, my biography. It's not fitness, it's life. That's as in I want to make health and fitness my lifestyle. So for the quotes and affirmation for health and fitness, we have 2 feet to quit. As in, the thing is, no matter like if I get to the body that I want, I don't want to quit. I want this to be my lifestyle. Then you don't get the ass you want by sitting on it. Yo, girl, you have to work on it. Then create healthy habits, not restrictions. Like if you know me, you know I love food. So I just have to try and create healthy habits. Moving on, this is challenge yourself. I'll put this under personal development, and I didn't get like many images that would work for that section, so that's why you don't see anything. But this one is just a plant. As earlier mentioned, I think season finale video, I mentioned I want to be a plant mom. So yeah, we're doing it. I think we're doing it this year. So for the affirmations, I find love everywhere I go. Life sucks without plants. Then for YouTube monetization, here I come. This is the year, Maze. This is the year. Everything I need is within me. Yeah. Then we come to this sector. I want to start meditating. I want to start doing meditations and all that. So okay, the lighting has changed, but okay, so I want to start meditations. So here we start with think well, stay well. Yeah, be a doer, not a talker. Yeah, talk yourself well, then you can. Yeah, I can. So affirmations, I am healthy and well. I am full of energy. My body is healthy and vital. I am getting better and better. I am recovering well. I can move freely and easily now. Yeah, that's the thing. Then here we go to like your time. You know that time that you are, everything is just like your energy is drained and all that. So you just need time to have like your own time. Yeah, so the quote that I went with is, I don't need to put so much pressure on myself. I can take a break. Yeah, I think you should do the same. You can take a break. Yeah, it's allowed. So for the you time, like what I love doing, vacations. Vacations. If you know me, you know how I love massage. So spa time will do for me, and getaways. Like anytime I feel overwhelmed and I need to like regather my energy back, spa time mostly works for me. So yeah. Affirmations, today is full of possibilities. I attract positive people, positive opportunities, and positive outcomes every day. Yeah, that's what I'm doing 2021. So up there I've put that magazine because like whatever is there is just like, it's something that I'm not ready to show. I'm going to put it as secret till I secure it, so you guys will see it on the 31st when we review, yeah. So a few of affirmation there. So my positivity and powerful intentions create a surge of energy, turning my dreams into reality. I attract, like 2021 I attract. So down here we go to best holiday ever beach resort. If you know me again, you know how much I love the beach, as in yo me vibe too. My vibe zangu is a beach. So here it's, I love my beautiful and powerful female body, bikini body lol. Haha. Yani
kwa bichi tutakuwa hivi kwa bichi. Then I am focused to becoming financially secure so that I forget when it's payday. Like for me to have this kind of holiday, I'm say I need to be financially secure. And 2021 is the year that I'm being financially secure. Yeah. So I think that's it. Yeah, it's mine, like whatever is there. Then my time is now. I know it's my time is now. Whatever is there, yeah. So that's it for my vision board. Guys, tell me, what do you think about my vision board? You can tell me what your vision board contains if you have one. If you don't have, again, you can just mention like what are your resolutions for 2021 or your goals, so that at the end of the year we hold each other accountable. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Kindly like this video, comment, share. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for keeping it Assamese. Welcome to the family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it, guys. Bye till next time, and nawapenda sana.